The Nasdaq Vilnius is a stock exchange based in Vilnius, Lithuania, that was founded in 1993. Nasdaq Nordic, which also runs the Helsinki Stock Exchange and the Stockholm Stock Exchange, owns it. VSE, along with Riga Stock Exchange and Tallinn Stock Exchange, is a member of the Baltic Stock Exchange, which was created to reduce investment obstacles between Estonian, Latvian and Lithuanian markets. There are 30 listings available on the exchange and they are denominated in euros. Being part of the Nasdaq group, investors can expect a relatively good amount of available financial instruments to trade from. Lithuania's economy is the most developed of the three Baltic republics. Lithuania is a member of the European Union with the second highest GDP per capita in the Baltic region, trailing only Estonia. Lithuania was the first country to proclaim independence from the Soviet Union in 1990, and it quickly transitioned from a centrally planned to a market economy, enacting a slew of liberal reforms in the process. It, along with the other Baltic republics, saw rapid development after entering the European Union, giving rise to the concept of a Baltic tiger. Since regaining independence in 1990, Lithuania's economy has grown by more than 500%. In the Ease of Doing Business Index, Lithuania is placed 11th in the world. Agriculture, furniture, logistics, textile, biotechnology and laser industries have long been dominant in Lithuania. Maxima is a retail chain with locations in Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Poland and Bulgaria. It is the largest Lithuanian capital firm and the Baltic Republic's largest employment. Gerteka Logistics is the largest transportation firm in Europe. Biotech Pharma is a biopharmaceutical research and development business that specializes in the development of recombinant protein technology. The BIOK laboratory is the largest manufacturer of natural cosmetics in Lithuania, having been developed by biochemistry specialists. UAB Sanitex is Lithuania's and Latvia's largest wholesale, distribution and logistics firm, with operations in Estonia and Poland as well. UAB Solitex Cells is a major solar cell manufacturer in Northern Europe. UAB Teltonika is one of Europe's leading manufacturers of cellular low-T gateways. More than half of the firms in Koyfin's Baltic Top 50, a ranking of the largest Baltic nations' enterprises, are from Lithuania. Information and communication technology are one of the most important sub-sectors. .5% of total FDI went to ICT. Lithuania is home to 13 of the Baltic states' top 20 IT businesses. Some of the most promising sectors include the development of shared services and business process outsourcing. The financial sector is mostly concerned with the domestic market. The Bank of Lithuania has issued licenses to 9 commercial banks and 8 international bank branches. The majority of the banks are owned by multinational firms, mostly from Scandinavia. The country has been attempting to establish itself as the EU's major fintech centre, promising to grant European operational licenses within 3 months, compared to a year in nations like Germany or the United Kingdom. Only 35 fintech businesses started in Lithuania in 2017. In comparison to the other Baltic countries, Lithuania's industrial sector accounts for a substantially higher portion of the economy's structure. Lithuania is closer to certain Central European nations in this way, such as the Czech Republic and Germany. Manufacturing accounts for the majority of Lithuania's gross value added. The sale of shares by a non-resident is not taxed in Lithuania. Market information is pretty accessible. The Lithuanian Department of Statistics and the European Economic Sentiment Indicators, published by the European Union, are great places to research the Lithuanian market. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.